Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to edit photos on your Lenovo laptop without installing any extra software. First, open the photo you want to edit, then click the Edit option at the top. Here you'll find basic editing tools. You can crop or rotate your photo whenever you want. If you want to improve the picture, adjust settings like brightness, exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows using the available sliders. You can also apply different filters and effects to give your photo a new look. If you want to draw or write on the photo, use the markup tools. You can sketch, erase, or add text, depending on your needs. Need to blur part of your image? The Photos app also provides a blur option on supported versions. If your laptop supports AI editing features, you can remove or replace the photo background with just one click. Now click on Save. For everyday editing like cropping, adjusting brightness, adding effects, or making simple changes, the built-in Photos app is more than enough. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.